One of the latest new features on the NSX ULTRAWIDE is the CMAP safety alerts. This is a hazard detection obstacle avoidance safety system that alerts you of any obstacles or hazards that are along the way. Be sure to have software 1.6 or greater to unlock this feature, and let me show you how it works. In order to activate, you're going to first go to Chart from your home screen. Click on that. Once you have the chart open, you'll try to find the settings at the top right, which is the menu there, and you'll see that the chart settings will then open up to the right. Right here you have safety alerts, so I'll go ahead and click on that, and you can just go ahead and enable that right there. So you'll turn on harbor mode when you're going into the harbor or the marina, and this will turn off any of the sensitivity around any pilings or channel markers or anything like that. And then offshore mode is when you're going to go out further out, deep sea, and will alert you there. The way that this works is that there will be a cone that is on your heading, and whatever is in that field of view on your cone, it will alert you on any hazards, shallow water, or anything like that. So to unlock this feature, you'll need 1.6 or greater from a software update, so be sure to update your latest NSX ULTRAWIDE or NSX device.